Hi guys, it's Tara Krieg for this week's Wisdom Wednesday. So I have a ton of information I wanted to share with you guys this morning, and so I'll get through it as quickly as I can. We had a client on Friday who was able to make a cash offer with our Cash is King program. Now they had made a financed offer at $375 with an escalation clause just over $400, and the seller had accepted a cash offer at $350 and actually felt so strongly about cash that they were willing to accept $350 over the financed offer. And so our buyer wanted to take advantage of that. We were able to quickly, within 24 hours, get them approved for our Cash is King program and make a cash offer on their behalf. This client stands to gain a tremendous amount of equity by being able to do that. So if you have clients in a situation where really cash will make the difference, please feel free to reach out because that program is still available to us. Rates. So rates are crazy volatile right now. We actually saw interest rates as low as they've been yesterday. And then this morning, mortgage bonds are down a little over 80 basis points. And we've seen two reprices for the worst, resulting in an increase in interest rates from about 0.25% from yesterday. So again, just a ton of volatility as it relates to what's going on in the bond market. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about foreclosures. I'm seeing agents talk about, get ready for REOs. We've seen this huge uptick. I saw or heard a number as high as 900% increase in foreclosures. Well, that's crazy. Simply not true. And so I'm going to include a chart about foreclosures that goes back a period of time, but I just want to talk about what we're seeing right now. So current foreclosures are at about 164,000. I want you guys to know that in the beginning of 2020, we were at about 165,000, and in 19, it was far more than that. So the foreclosure numbers that we're seeing are still relatively low to what would be considered normal, and the average loan to value for the American home is like 47%. So again, we don't think that we're going to see a big spike in foreclosures. It's just that we're coming off periods of these extended moratoriums where foreclosures were not permitted. And so now we're seeing people, banks particular, releasing those homes to go to foreclosure if and when appropriate. The other thing I want to talk a little bit is about price deceleration versus price declining. So Cromford Report just released numbers, price per square foot, and we did in fact drop from an average sales price of $592,000 to an average sales price, bear with me, $546,000. So that's about $286 a square foot, which takes us back to where we would have been in March. It's about an 8% decline month over month. So just be careful, be cautious about how you're addressing what's happening with prices in the market and demand for housing and how aggressive that you're being with your buyers and that you're just giving them the right information. At the end of the day, you guys, they're marrying the house. This is a long-term investment. It's a home for them. Unless you're working with an investor that's specifically looking at hitting a target price point, we have to really encourage our buyers to keep their head in the game. Because at the end of the day, if this is a home that their family is going to live in for any extended period of time, we anticipate normal appreciation rates of anywhere from 3 to 7% year over year. And that's still a phenomenal investment and can help a family build real wealth. So if you guys need more information on that, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, we'll continue to keep you updated, but we hope you're having an amazing week and we'll see you next Wednesday.